Schat's Bakery Squaw Bread mix. Whoop whoop. Let's bake Eric Schat's Squaw Bread mix. For the people who know Eric Schat, I'm pretty sure those people have been to Mammoth Lake for skiing, mountain biking, hiking. This bakery is pretty famous. What happened? I got one of those premixes and I want to try how simple or difficult it is, because everything comes with this one except water. I think that's all. So we'll read the instructions together and then we'll go and bake the whole thing and see how it turns out. It's the first time for me, so I have no idea what's in this little package and I want to see how it tastes at the end. It's not super big or heavy, but I hope it's good. And by the way, I'm using my Thermomix again. I like it. What should I say? What's in it? Show me. Open it. The instructions. I'll show you in the video what I do. That's empty. That's the front. That's the back. 3 cups Squaw Bread mix. 1.5 cups water. We'll check it out. I feel like that will be an easy bread. We'll figure that out. It says we have 3 cups of Squaw Bread mix, which we'll pour into the Thermomix or any mixer or kneading machine you have. Then we'll add 1.25 cups of water. It should be lukewarm water, range between 70 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit. And they put even a hint in it, water is a key ingredient here. Rather than ordinary tap water, you should use your favorite bottled water. I still want to see, is it really 3 cups of mix? Oh, with those flimsy, alright, all the same. I would say it's a little bit more, but I'll add all of it, because I don't know what to do with the rest. Now we have a mess. Little Thermomix. By the way, it's a he. Mr. Thermomix. Now we'll add the lukewarm water, 1.25. They recommend it must be semi-dry, so semi-dry. My wife's name is Semi, funny. Should be semi-dry, or rather pouring in too little than too much. Alright. I'll do, so I did a little less than 1.25 cups, and I'll start the kneading process. I'll start with 3 minutes and then we'll see how that goes. Alright, let's give it a look. I think that's not too bad. Yeah, that's good. They say now let it rise for 30 minutes. Put it in a bowl and let it sit for 30 minutes. They said 30 minutes with a cloth. We'll do that. See you in 30 minutes. Let's have a look. That was not a lot of movement, but it will continue. It says we should use cornmeal. So I want to have it in a bread shape. They recommend dip dough into bread loaf shape, place into a greased bread pan. I won't do that. I'll use my brewing basket. I'll put the cornmeal in here. Good. Now we need to cover it. For 1.5 hours and keep it in a warm place. It should rise a little bit, so I'm curious what it will do. And guys, as always, now we have to wait for 1.5 hours. What about Toby's house latte? You can find it up here. I'll enjoy it and I'll just wait 1.5 hours and then we'll continue. I wish you could have one too. You want to have a sip? Do you want maybe? Or make it yourself, you know, up there. There's a link again. Now we're preheating the oven to 400 degrees, and I'll do that 45 minutes before I put the bread in the oven. That's what it looks like. It didn't rise really. I guess the yeast is not really good anymore. That it comes with everything, so let's see what it does in the oven. I'm doing my typical baking foil so I can get it out later easy. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm putting it in a hot Dutch oven. Let's bake it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, we'll take out the Dutch oven and we'll keep baking it without the Dutch oven for 25 minutes on 375 degrees according to the instructions. Looks small. Guys, it's about time. I'll get it out. Ooh, yeah. Ta-da! I'm not patient enough. It's too hot still. Guys, I wish you could be here and bake it together with me, but it's COVID and also this is a video. So I was thinking about a bread a couple days and I really wasn't sure what I should say about it. So first off, the taste was great. It was really delicious, really good. It was not fluffy, so I was a little bit concerned about that. Why was it not as fluffy as I expected it? Maybe I did expect something which was wrong. And I was just wondering what caused that, what might have happened. And the only thing what I could imagine is that the yeast was just old, didn't want to rise anymore. According to the Best Buy date, it was not reached at all. Doing a little more research and stuff like that, I came to the conclusion that I have to make my own squaw bread. So yeah, that will be one of the next recipes. But at the same time, I also want to reach out to Schat's Bakery. I want to ask them what I might have done wrong. And also I want to see what their bread should look like. Which means there will be a follow-up video, kind of a part 2 or whatever you want to call it, when I bake my own squaw bread. And I have no idea what ingredients I will need, but I'll do that. I'll dig into that and have to practice probably. We'll see. Subscribe to the channel if you want to watch that follow-up video or if you just like the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you maybe know Schat's Bakery. If you have been there, what's your favorite bread? Write it down in the comments. Thank you. Tschüss.